are you doing here?
We need to talk. Daddy?
No. No. No.
You haven't even heard my opening statement.
And I know I'm not gonna like it.
Due to rising tuition costs, I am obligated as a millennial to manage my finances wisely. Now, amortized over time, a loan on an electric vehicle.
You want a car? You can't even drive.
Can't? Or am unauthorized by the draconian laws of our country.
Will you stop making up these words, please?
It means cruel, Daddy. And you know what else is cruel? Promising a 5-year-old girl a pony with no intent of actually coming through with that promise.
You are 5 years away before you can even get your learner's permit. There is no way that I'm buying you a car. Listen,
Daddy.
hey,
Daddy.
listen,
Daddy. Please.
Your mother's gonna kill me.